Good morning, ladies, especially the women above 40 years. Do you think that you get fatigue without doing so much hard work? Do you think the day has become very lethargic? Do you think that something very boring is going to be happening in your life? So, now this is the time for you to take a break. This is the time when you have to think about yourself. This is the time when you have to get a stop and take a pause for your life. What you have to do is to think about yourself. It's not like that you are getting mean, but it is the time to get a refreshment about yourself. Have a me time for yourself. What should be the me time? The me time. What should you have to do in your me time? You have to take care of yourself. Now the question is that how you will take care of yourself. You can fulfill your hobbies. It may be singing, it may be dancing, it may be painting or book reading, anything it may be. You have to take care of yourself. That means you can do yoga, exercises, take care of your diet. So I wanted to say that you have to take care of yourself, and you're not going to get mean after fulfilling your desires. In fact, if you are fulfilled with yourself, then only you will be able to take care of your families. You have to remain healthy. You have to be healthy by body also and by mind also. So, ladies, refresh yourself. Be healthy by body as well as mind. Because in Ayurveda, it is said that dharma, artha, kama,